is one that I've done many times, and it's basically a style where I just wash my hair, leave in the conditioner, and just put it in a ponytail and go to sleep. So what you see is my hair, which has been in a ponytail for 2 or 3 days, and there's nothing in it except for conditioner. So I'm going to add oil for sheen as well as for moisture, and this is grapeseed oil, and then I'm going to proceed to styling it. I am 6 years natural as of January 21st, I believe, and I still do not use any heat. So what you see here is my natural curl pattern with no manipulation. Sometimes it gets a bit straighter than this, which is basically the reason why I started styling my hair like this, because it's really simple, it's really easy, and it lasts for 2 weeks, and I can change up the hairstyle. This is really low maintenance. So what I'm doing right now is a double bund hairstyle with a few accessories. So I'm going to start by using one of those ouchless hair bands, and I'm going to make a knot at the top. I'm going to make one in the back. I'm going to apply a little bit of oil, brush my hair down, and then add my accessories. And I'm going to be using the Lotta Body hair products. I have moved away from using edge controller because my makeup always gets blended into it and then it turns brown or starts flaking, and this Lotta Body gel in particular does not do that, and I can restyle my hair a couple times over the next 2 weeks without it flaking unless I put a bobby pin in it. So that's what you see me doing right here. It's just applying a little bit of that light gel and smoothing it down, and I'm going to put my silk cap right over the top just so the edges will go ahead and set. And once that's done, I'm going to be ready to finish styling my hair. And you know, this takes only maybe 15 minutes. It's like I said, it's really low maintenance, and it really is a style that I've come to like and wear quite often if I just don't really feel like dealing with my hair. And I do plan on doing a length check. I'm planning on doing a length check very soon, and my hair, the last time I checked it, the length, it was probably almost 2 years ago, and it was waist length. So I'm not sure, I don't really feel like it grew that much, but ever since my hair has been at least waist length, I've been doing more styles like this just because it's easy and it's low maintenance. I don't go out a lot, and you know, when I do go out, I want things to be very quick, very easy, and still look classy and elegant. So these are a couple of the styles that I've opted for. This video had 2 hairstyles, but it was really long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a 2 or 3 part series just to show you guys like some of the things that I do. And in this case, my hair, I said that I had been letting it dry for about 2 or 3 days. Usually if I wash my hair and put it in like a ponytail, it takes like 4 days to dry. So this is how it looks when it's only been drying for like 2 days. Usually 4 days, it's a lot straighter. And so I plan on making more videos to show you guys like how the products that I use have come to work for my best advantage, and really made my life easier over the last year. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave me a comment below.
Yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, haha, hey yo, haha, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, haha, hey yo, haha, hey yo.